Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with dust mites, allergens, or just want to keep your bed ultra fresh and clean, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mattress vacuum cleaners you can buy right now. From UV sterilization to HEPA filters and powerful suction, we've researched and reviewed the best options on the market to help you sleep cleaner and healthier. So whether you're fighting allergies, a clean freak like me, or just want a better night's rest, stick around because you won't want to miss what's coming up. All the product links are listed down below in the description, so make sure to check them out after the video. Let's get started. 5. RANVOO My1A, introducing the 2024 RANVOO Mattress Cleaner, engineered with the strongest 35 kilopad dual suction power to effortlessly clear 100% of allergens in a single pass. With a 261% increase in suction strength and 300% wider surface coverage, it targets deep-set dust mites, pet hair, and debris without repeated cleaning. RANVOO's groundbreaking sextuple tech combines 6 high-performance features: powerful suction, dual beating at 12.8 K min, UVC sterilization, ultrasonic vibration, precise heating, and wide reach to eliminate microscopic irritants while staying gentle on delicate fabrics. The built-in AI chip automatically adapts suction and tapping force based on fabric type, ensuring safe, tailored cleaning for mattresses, pillows, and upholstery. A 6-stage HEPA filtration system with negative ion purification traps fine particles, while the 400 milliliter dust cup allows for multiple full home cleanings with quick, mess-free emptying. Ready to use straight from the box and backed by a 10-year warranty, this is the ultimate all-in-one solution for a cleaner, healthier home. 4. UZK MV11-02. Experience deep and efficient cleaning with our advanced mattress vacuum cleaner, UV, powered by a robust 500-watt motor that delivers 16 kg of strong suction, perfect for removing dust and dirt from beds, pillows, mattresses, and sofas. Designed for optimal hygiene, it features a double dust cup system with a 500 megaliter capacity, separating dust and hair through cyclonic action to maintain powerful suction and prevent filter clogging. The built-in air heating system reaches 140 degree Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius in just 5 seconds, effectively eliminating up to 99.9% of dirt and allergens, ideal for homes with pets. Our dual cleaning technology combines 4,000 Hz ultrasonic waves and a 253.7 nanometer LED UV light with a gravity sensor switch to ensure safety by preventing UV leakage. The anti-entanglement metal roller brush glides smoothly without damaging fabrics or tangling hair. Plus, with an extra long 5-meter, 16.4 feet power cord, you can clean larger areas with ease and uninterrupted performance. 3. JIGOO J300 Light. The Jigoo J300 Light mattress vacuum cleaner is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution designed to protect your family's health and ensure a deep, thorough clean. With more than 99% protection, it combines 253.7 nanometers UV light and ultrasonic waves to effectively eliminate allergens, dust mites, and bacteria. Its strong 13 kPa suction power and high-frequency vibration technology lift embedded dust, pet hair, and debris from deep within fabrics, while the premium filter sponge captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring clean air output and preventing secondary pollution. Featuring a patented dual cyclone filtration system and an integrated dual cup structure, it maximizes cleaning efficiency on mattresses, sofas, bedding, and carpets. A smart sensor detects allergen levels in real time, switching between red and green indicators to show cleanliness. With a 5-meter cord, ergonomic handle, and a wide 20.8 centimeter suction port, the J300 Light offers convenience, power, and peace of mind in one sleek device. Number 2. CreatalizeBot X1. Experience hands-free, intelligent cleaning with the CreatalizeBot X1 robot mattress vacuum cleaner, designed to eliminate dust and allergens with zero manual effort. Featuring fully automatic bow-shaped path planning and 9 smart proximity sensors, this device navigates your bed, sofa, or pillow effortlessly, ensuring thorough coverage without blind spots or constant direction adjustments. Its 270 nanometer UV light and high-frequency roller brush work together to penetrate deep into fabrics, breaking down dust structures to prevent spread at the source, ideal for a healthier home. With 14 AW suction power, low noise operation at just 55 dB, and up to 1 hour of runtime, it offers 3 automatic modes and 1 manual setting for uneven surfaces. Compact and portable, it's perfect for use on mattresses, couches, carpets, and more, at home or on the go. A thoughtful and practical gift for women on birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, and in one innovative solution. 1. Jimmy JV35. Experience the ultimate in allergen removal with the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Engineered with powerful 14 kPa suction and high-frequency tapping to extract fine dust and allergens deep within mattresses. Featuring 254nm UV light and 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat, it eliminates 99.99% of allergens from beds, cribs, carpets, and pillows. With 3-in-1 cleaning modes, tapping, suction, UV, a 480-watt motor, and a wide 240mm suction port, it delivers fast, thorough results. Built for long use with a 5-meter cord, 0.5-liter dust cup, and dual cyclone filtration for easy maintenance and no tangling, this 7.93-pound heavy-duty cleaner promises over 10 years of reliable performance. Join 10 million-plus users in the Jimmy Global Vacuum Club. Note, use on flat surfaces to activate UV mode safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future reviews and home care tips. All the products featured in this video are linked down below in the description. Make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your mattress cleaning game. Got questions or have a favorite vacuum cleaner of your own? Drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay fresh and sleep clean.